The former ANC MP Vincent Smith has been back in court today, and he will be back in court again in December this year. He appeared again today before the Specialized Commercial Crimes Court on charges of corruption and fraud related to evidence presented before the Zondo Commission of Inquiry. Smith allegedly received bribes from former Bosasa COO Angelo Agrizzi. Agrizzi is also charged and has been applying for bail this morning. Let me take you to eNCA senior reporter Aviwe Mtila, who is at the Palm Ridge Magistrates Court, where that court session is taking place. Aviwe, the alleged briber and the alleged bribee, if there's such a word, have been in court this morning. Let's start with Angelo Agrizzi's bail application. What are some of the arguments he has made as to why he's a suitable candidate to be released on bail?
It has certainly come as a surprise why the state is opposing that bail for Angelo Agrizzi. You'd hear his attorney, Manny, basically, Wits, saying that this is all new to them. They've been communicating with the prosecutor regarding even him not appearing on the 1st of October when he was supposed to make his first appearance. But we've heard that he's on permanent oxygen. So they're saying that declining of bail, the state suggesting that it's going to oppose bail for Agrizzi, has come as a surprise. But I've been speaking to my sources, Tulas, who tell me that Agrizzi hasn't been upfront in terms of disclosing his entire assets. My sources tell me that he's got a house in Italy. You'd understand that he's of Italian origin, so he didn't disclose that to the state. And we also know that there's some 11 million rand, in fact, that has been sent through to Italy already, some of the information that I've gotten from my sources. But that is going to be revealed officially when the state makes its case. That will be cleared up. But of course, as I mentioned, the attorney Vid saying that this is all new to them, why the state hasn't come forth with the intentions of opposing that bail. But we know that Angelo Agrizzi is going to appear on another matter that he was arrested for last year on the 6th of February. That is going to appear in the Pretoria Specialized Commercial Crimes Court on Friday. It is also regarding Bosasa tenders that have received over the years through the Department of Correctional Services to the tune of some 1.6 billion rands.
Yeah, and those are significant details, are they not, Aviwe? What you're saying, you are hearing from your sources about the allegation that he has a house in Italy and also issues to do with financial disclosures, because part of what you do when you are applying for bail is to basically show that you have no reason to evade your trial, and you have, you will be available when the time comes for you to appear before a court. There's also been an issue about his passport. What's that about?
Yes, he says that his Italian passport is lost at this stage, and in fact, he's already adhered to, complied, in fact, with the state. It is already the case that's running concurrently with this one, the one that I mentioned that's appearing at the Pretoria Specialized Commercial Crime. He says that when his South African passport was wanted there, he handed it over willingly, and at this stage, his Italian passport is lost. But sources close to this case are telling me that, in fact, there's a house in Italy that he hasn't disclosed, and 11 million rands worth of money that's already been taken to Italy, suggesting that there are plans in place for him to flee the country. But of course, we'll hear that when the state presents its case as to why it's actually opposing the bail for Angelo Agrizzi, accused number 3 in this matter.
And then, Aviwe, lastly, tell us briefly about the appearance of Vincent Smith. He's back in court in early December. What was today's appearance all about?
A very short appearance for Vincent Smith, standing alongside Angelo Agrizzi. That matter has been postponed to the 3rd of December for disclosure. We understand that the state is supposed to hand over documents to the defense in order to prepare then for the trial. But he'll be back here at the Palm Ridge Specialized Commercial Crimes Court on the 3rd of December for that disclosure. But now the matter has been adjourned here for Angelo Agrizzi, accused number 3 on the matter. so that a further affidavit can be sorted out, and then the state will officially put it on the record why they oppose the bail for Angelo Agrizzi. That is something that has come as a surprise to the attorney, saying that they've had dealings, a number of dealings through the past, communicating about this particular case. You'd understand that they were at this Palm Ridge Specialized Commercial Crimes Court on the 1st of October, where Angelo Agrizzi, accused number 3, wasn't joined in this matter because of his ill health. We understand there was a medical certificate, 2 medical certificates that were handed over, and Wits basically saying that we've been in communication with you. Now Angelo Agrizzi is said to be on permanent oxygen, but only today they say they hear that the state isn't intending, in fact, to oppose bail for Angelo Agrizzi, which the intentions have been made clear here at the Specialized Commercial Crime Court in Palm Ridge.
All right, so the stage seems to be set then for the butting of heads, at least legally, between those two sides when we hear from the state a bit later on. eNCA's senior reporter, Aviwe Mtila, live for us from the Palm Ridge Magistrates Court, sitting as the Specialized Commercial Crimes Court in the matter of Angelo Agrizzi. We will continue to give you updates from there, including, of course, the arguments by the state as to why they are opposing Angelo Agrizzi's release on bail.